Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on resolved Commnent notification on ClickUp application. So how to turn on resolved Commnent notification on ClickUp application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the ClickUp app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the ClickUp app. Next, tap the profile icon at the top right. And appears like this. Tap Notification Settings. And tap Resolved Commnent. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on Resolved Commnent notification on ClickUp application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.